Hello everyone. Today I have for action this green Casige sewing machine. I cannot call this sewing machines toys anymore. These artifacts work just perfect. Everything is original in this machine. The knob, the wheel, the tension set, the little screw that is very difficult to have it, the tension set, and the back is perfect. I assume that this machine nobody uses. Before I found it in a flea market, it was just full of dust. When I cleaned it, I got surprised at how neat it is. This is the sound and the stitch this machine makes. You can hear the gear. It's just perfect. There you go. Here is the back of the stitch. As you can see, the perfection of the chain stitch at the back is just amazing. This machine has at least 70 years old. If you take care of it, you can have it for another 100 years for sure. The handcraft they made in the past is just perfect. They made everything sturdy to last long time, right? Thank you for watching.